Audio Jungle.
Welcome to Gazi Technology Foundation, an organization located in Ghana that teaches children in rural communities astronomy, coding, electronics, and robotics. My name is Sunam Adra Jr., and today I'm here to make a presentation on photography. Photography is the art of capturing light with a camera, usually via a digital sensor or film, to create an image. Photography is the result of combining several technical discoveries relating to seeing an image and capturing the image. A person who takes, edits, and frames photographs, especially as a job, is termed a photographer. With the right camera equipment, one can even photograph wavelengths of light invisible to the human eye, including UV, infrared, and radio. The invention of the camera traces back to the work of Ibn al-Haytham. The first permanent photograph was captured in 1826 by Joseph Lucifer Niers in France. Photographs are used to tell stories in many different ways. Scientists use photography to document new plants or to be able to study animals in more depth. Photos are used in textbooks to teach students about different places around the world. Photography skills refer to the set of skills that you need to capture and produce high-quality photographs. There are 7 basic elements of photographic art: line, shape, form, texture, color, size, and depth. As a photographic artist, your knowledge and awareness of the different elements can be vital to the success of your composition and help convey the meaning of your photograph. Some types of photographs include portrait photography, fashion photography, landscape photography, travel photography, and several others. In conclusion, photography has played an important role in our society since they allow us to keep memories of the past and also our loved ones when they are no more. Please don't forget to follow and subscribe on all our social media platforms for more videos. Thank you.
Audio Jungle.